Testing, mic check. You guys hear me? All right, let's see what's going on in the markets. So we're going to be trading the 150K account on Topstep X today. This account's sitting at negative $215 so far. I went to a trade right before I got on live and got stopped out, unfortunately. TikTok, can you guys hear me? Good to go. All right, we're getting a little bit of rejection here. We're actually just trading between the MA50 and VWAP. So just a consolidation pattern. Looks like a large sell candle came in. They bought it right back up. My thumbnail didn't change. It still says May the 6th. What the heck? Alright, we're getting rejection here. If we break down below VWAP, we could probably head down to the lows again. Let's run a Fibonacci, actually. Yeah, we're right at the 50% retracement. Actually, I'm going to look into a long. They bought that right back up. We're sitting at this little demand zone. Not going to go yet. I'll wait and see if it gives us some sort of signal. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try a long here. Let's actually just go into one. Join the bid. Set our stop loss pretty tight, negative 155 if we lose this. Now we can risk a little more. There's a larger account. Let's put 190 risk. Be sitting right at VWAP, it looks like, yeah. Man, these little indicators are all nasty looking. Get rid of 200. Just use VWAP, the 9, and the 50 right now. The 200 MA was a little too wacky. Alright, since the candle's going our way, I'm gonna just go ahead and move it to break even. We're gonna keep our risk pretty minimal right here since we are still in a chop zone. Look at that. Breaking above the 9, right back to the 50. This type of momentum, we can move well above the 50. I'm gonna move right below half of the body of this candle. It should retrace back down, and I don't want to get stopped out just yet. If I do that, I'm fine with that as well. But there's a lot of momentum. It should break above the 50. If not, we're still profitable. What's up, man? You red or green, rookie? Most people are tilted short on top, according to Topstep X. There we go. Breaking above the 50. The trade is good. We're up 200 bucks. I'm gonna set a take profit at about 150. This puts me at break even for today. I went into a bad trade earlier. Actually, I went to a trade and I went to get a drink. Pretty simple, right? Anybody catch that? So I'm just moving to take profit right below. I'm pretty much right at the halfway point of each candle. Then maybe just reverse it and come back down to the 9 EMA. Rookie, you're down 100 today? You do something else. Today is my second day on Topstep X. Accidentally bought instead of sold. Yeah, at least it's only a $19 account, right? Alright, coming back down to this midpoint to test the candles. I call it a wick test. So we're right in the middle of this wick. There we go. Alright, puts me at pretty much break even on Topstep. Made a look to set another buy. Gonna be a little bit more selective with this purchase. Maybe right below the 9 EMA. They may wick it down really quick. Actually, let's not get too cheap here. We're here to trade, right? And since we're on these evaluation accounts, it could be a little bit more aggressive. Yeah, you're looking to buy A couple more of the accounts so you can copy trade. It's a great deal. Oh, I got filled, but they're pushing right down pretty quickly. Set our stop to just risk $150 on this. And it already took me out. Alright, let's not try to scalp this little sideways movement. Not gonna come out on top on this. We try to catch his VWAP bounce. Why not, right? Not really going my way on this one. Your inputs from the top? Are you trading SPY or SPX? We're doing futures on here, so we're just either going long or short. Yeah, this I'm just trading just to trade. You want to watch Snap? It shows directions in the market. I think the market just sort of pushes these small stocks up and down, and just think of SPY and the Nasdaq and the S&P as like the wind, and it just sort of blows stocks in certain directions. We're in long right now, bouncing off of VWAP. Not really a tradable zone yet. We're still just in between these little. We're range bound right now. Just stuck between 190, like a 20-point little zone here. Sort of toughest to trade. We shouldn't really be trading it like I am. I'd say if you're trading these little ranges, just keep the stop losses tight. Let's check the Robinhood, I guess. See how we're doing on that. What platform? That's Topstep, and we're using Topstep X. Robinhood, we're sitting at 21K. Got stopped out again on that. So if you go to the link in my bio, right here, it's going to bring you to just my YouTube video, and you go ahead and click Topstep. You can join the Discord as well, it's free. Click on Topstep, it brings you to their website. Let me see if I can make it smaller for y'all. Like that. I know you can't see the whole screen, but I'm trading the 150 account right here, and all you have to do is you're going to use this coupon code TOPSTEPX. Select the account. You can start on a 50K account. It only costs you 19 bucks. Well, go ahead and select, enter the coupon code, and sign up. Then it brings you onto their platform. They have their own trading platform called TopStepX, and they just launched it like I think 2 days ago. You could trade gold, the NASDAQ, S&P 500, natural gas, copper, Bitcoin. I didn't know that. Learn something new every day. Just all this stuff, platinum, heating oil. You can use charts from TradingView. That's what they use. And they just have a couple features that they added on. They have their own YouTube channel and they stream live every single day and has a ton of people watching. Yeah, Topstep's the way to go. There's a couple other funded places. You can use Apex Trading, and then there's like My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader. I heard we're pretty good too. So I'm trying to catch a breakout to the upside. So I'm gonna keep going into some bids to go long. We're keeping these trades small on this larger account. And I'm keeping the stop losses really tight. We can lose up to $3,000 today. Have I taken the payout? Yes. And then a couple people in the Discord have made quite a bit of money. But yeah, they do pay out. I have a funded account with them as well on Tradeovate. That one's sitting at like negative 200 bucks right now. It was up over $1,000. Yeah, you can go big if you want. And just keep resetting until you finally hit one. A lot of people do that. I guess that'd be pretty entertaining too. But no, if I see the market starting to move in a different direction, yeah, we can go larger into like 3, 4, 5 contracts. Right now we just do 1 or 2 contracts because it's not really going my way. I'm on the wrong side of all these trades. Yeah, usually I was supposed to get on earlier, right when market opens, but we went fishing. Yeah, you see pre-market? Pre-market was nasty. We were just falling. Then right at open, it ran it all the way back up, and now we're just consolidating sideways. But it is loading up like a little spring right here. It does look like the market wants to move. So we can wait for it to break one direction, then just catch it on the retest. Polygon? Oh. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'd call this like a flat top bottom. So I made a video with the Magic 8 ball. And on TikTok, it's actually getting a lot of views. Good engagement on the video too. 50-50. All right, I don't know if the market's gonna go up or down from here. So let's ask this Magic 8 ball. And if you're on TikTok right now, I have a camera on my YouTube stream. And actually, it looks like we want to fall. But it could be a fake out. Never know. Abel, your inputs right now. You were right last time as well. I remember that. I don't remember what trade it was. Look at it. We're bouncing off VWAP though. See that candle just switch really quick? Yeah, the price is below the 9 EMA. Sitting right above VWAP. Appreciate the sub. Hold on. Getting rejection off the 9. Look at where we're at though, Abel. Like, we had that huge run up this morning. It sold off, and now we're just consolidating right pretty much at the midpoint. You run the fibs. We're just sitting between the 38 and the 50% Fibonacci's. The tilt on Topstep X, 55% are short. Well, there's our answer right there. All right, if we can back test, could probably go into a sell. So we're gonna come back to back test this red candle. I'm gonna do one limit sell. Actually, Magic 8 Ball. Should I short this trade? Without a doubt. So we're gonna just go short. Oh, I did join bid. Join ask, my bad. Why isn't it filling? It's great timing, Topstep. Oh my goodness, the app just crashed. Everything else is working. Yeah, I just refreshed the app. Huh. Does it really work? The Magic 8 Ball? Yeah. I just asked to go short. It agreed with me. I agree as well. Says Abel. Just Topstep isn't agreeing. Right when that moved to the downside. Not good. That's not a good look, Topstep. Let's open up my Amazon account. Other business. 48, 15% profit margin. Topstep. Okay, well, while we wait for this, I can't really make a commercial for it. But if you guys can go to my link in bio, subscribe on YouTube. We just had someone subscribe. Doing it one step at a time. Okay, well, we have Topstep, 65%. It's actually 87% off right now. Go to the 50K account and try their Topstep X platform. Let's select it. Let's see if I can pass this test. Nope. They have the hardest test. Become a funded trader. Enter that. I need to log in. Well. Topstep Discord is going crazy right now. That was right when we are gonna go into that trade too. The market was going down. Luckily, my funded account is on Tradeovate. But yeah, I'm sure it's going to be buggy for now. A lot of people are signing up for it and using it, so they may not have their servers ready. We're just going to look at a blank screen. All right, in the meantime, let's take a look at... I guess I need to log into that. We can look at our Amazon. Today we're sitting at $63, 13 open orders. Gotta sell, need a restock. Orders today. Decent. Topstep looks like it's gonna... Topstep Discord is going crazy. Good thing you didn't go in. Amazon sales for the last 30 days. We're doing about 7,500 on this business. But net profit is only 1,300. Not bad for putting no effort into it though. I'll take that. Topstep X. It's a blank screen. I do private label on Amazon. I just have 3 products. I actually had like 5 or 6. I've launched like 20 products, but only 1 or 2 have stuck. And I'm trying to launch one more just slowly. And it's taken a while. The advertising is what costs so much. Sure, I'll take it. I can't see my ACOS because my camera is blocking it, of course. We're at about a 40% ACOS. It's a little bit high. My cost of advertising used to be only like 10-15%. I think there's just too much competition coming into the marketplace, and my products, I'm not really improving them like I should. So I'm just not keeping up with the markets. But while we wait for Topstep. Oh, there we go. We're back. Oh my goodness, what am I in? Am I in a long? I don't know. Oh my goodness. What the heck? So we missed a short. Well, I'm pretty sure Topstep's gonna reset everyone today. So we got the Topstep announcements. Yeah, they usually give a free reset when something like this happens. So, we get a free day of trading. Where were we? So I launched some headbands, some socks, a couple other things. So far, my wedding socks are the only thing that's like really selling. And I'd actually be making about 2,000 or 3,000 a month just off that product. That's in profit. So it does about like maybe 10,000 in sales and 3,000 profit. It's a nice consistent product. No, I haven't done arbitrage on Amazon. I've seen people make some good money on it. Yeah, Magic 8 Ball said to go short. I know if I go short again. Alright, Magic 8 Ball, should I short this trade? It says yes. Pretty sure I was supposed to short it right at VWAP, but can't be perfect. Am I not recording? Alright, Magic 8 Ball said to go short, so we are going short on this trade. Just doing one contract. I may have missed an entry, and we're chasing a little bit. We'll keep the sizing small, we'll keep the type light, the stop loss tight. And I have a feeling we're just going to get a free day of trading today on Topstep. Alright, Magic 8 Ball. I'm going to move my stops down a little bit. Just sort of follow after it and just reduce the risk. If we're right on it, we'll move it to the break-even point. Right now we're still deciding. I didn't have the best entry, so it's great. If there's a green candle, it could knock me out. Let me move my stop right above VWAP, actually. About to get stopped out. Man, I'm trading like crap right now. Do I ever use a trailing stop? Yeah, if I'm not going to be looking at the trades. Sometimes I have it set up on my phone. I'll just go into a trade and you just step away. Look at all these screenshots on Topstep, all these red screenshots. All right, we're getting tore up by this chop. Not we, just me. Well, hopefully we get a reset on the fundeds and the regular ones. All right, we're still just trading around VWAP. Not really moving too much yet. I'm about a third of the way through my daily loss limit. Still not too bad. Still have some wiggle room. See, we're getting some large red candles, but it's just getting eaten right back up. Switch to a 5-minute chart. Nothing really telling on this. Switch to a 1-second chart. Oh, heck no. Temporary liquidation. Wow. Abel, you're in a short or you're in a put? Still trading around VWAP, a little bit below the 90 MA, still below the 50 MA. You're on SPY put? Some sellers at VWAP, still pushing us. The sellers are keeping us below the 9, that green line on your screen. Magic 8 ball might have been right. Magic 8 ball. Should I go short right here? As I see it, yes. All right, I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna leave my stop loss right at the 50 MA, so we're gonna give it some wiggle room. Only risking $160. Our drawdown on the day can be up to 3,000. So only one. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do like a 20th of the drawdown. You want to try? Yeah, you're gonna get Topstep this weekend. You should get it like before Friday, I believe, because they're running that $19 thing, and I think it ends Friday or maybe Monday. So you want to double check that. It's still a good platform overall. I still do recommend it. Might be a little glitchy here and there, but their customer support and everything is just top notch. I think they're gonna just keep expanding and getting better. Lock up the 10 accounts, blah, 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 for $19. Still in a choppy zone. My stop loss, I think it's a little tight, but we'll see. Hopefully they don't hunt all the way up there for my stop loss. Yeah, that's the cheapest I've seen it. It's 19 bucks for that. Every now and then they'll give away some accounts, but they're real selective on that. But if this trade doesn't work out, I may just stop streaming and then come back on tomorrow morning. I missed this morning's trade. I was out fishing on the boat. We stayed out a little longer than I thought we would. I just got back. But yeah, after this, we'll see how this trade plays out. Hopefully I can make back some of the money that we lost on the past 2 trades. Man, this movement is like watching paint dry, right? Did I catch any fish? Yeah. The fish are all they're schooling at the top of the water. Like the birds are diving down, so it makes it really easy to find them in the boat. We just have this little John boat and take my wife out on there. All right, since we're about $150, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break, actually just positive 35 bucks. I could just lock in $230 here. So we are selling off. Magic 8 ball has been on point, actually. I asked it 3 times if it wants to go short, and it said yes all 3 times. So this thing's paying for itself. I need to trade this on my funded account, actually. Magic 8-ball trade. We're up 235, 245. 230. Man, if Topstep didn't have that glitch, I think I lost like 250 on that glitch. They'll fix it. Gene Mark, what's the daily max for 50K during combine evaluation? Daily max profit. Well, I got filled on that order. Not bad. Let's go, Abel. So you see how, let's say I bought a SPY put or a QQQ put earlier in the day, about an hour ago, and then I just held that put through all this chop. If I was holding a put that expired today, it would have just lost its value through all this chop. So that's where futures is better, where you can just trade in and out, and there's no decay like options have on their premiums. So yeah, if you like to trade SPY ODTEs, just switch on over to futures trading. Yeah, 19 bucks, and then if you're for 19 bucks on the Topstep 50K account. I have one 50K account that I bought. I actually paid 50 bucks for it, but it went up to about $1,200 profit. I'm down at only 700 profit now. I need 2 more green days and I could do a withdrawal on it. Abel, you want me to see if you should hold on to your short position? Should we hold on to our short position or puts? It is decidedly so. It's saying to hold. Yeah, if we keep dropping, let's see. Let's run a fib and see what's going on. So the 50% fib was sitting around 161. We're breaking down below. We're heading down to 61.8 below this, and we could head down to the lows this morning. I do like that. Let's go A-ball. It said to hold. I'm not making this up. I'm like reading what it says. This is gonna be a nasty flush. Maybe flush all the way to a double bottom, and you're gonna be at like 200-300% on your contracts. Need an 8-ball cam shot. The thing is, when I hold it up to the camera, it like tilts up, so I have to hold it up and down, but then it moves. Yeah, I have to hold it straight up like this. Oh yeah, I guess I can have another camera that goes right above it. Flushing. 8-ball would have made about $500 right there. I need to ask the 8-ball if I should hold. You bought 5 of the Topstep accounts? Awesome. Yeah, it's only $100, and that's a great deal because you get what, 250,000 in buying power. So if you can get those funded, you're going to be paying $700 to fund them, and then you have $250,000 of buying power, like equivalent to somebody that had to put up 250K of their own cash. Actually, with futures, you only have to put maybe like $100,000, and then they'll give you leverage on it. But still, for the price that you're paying, you're getting a lot of leverage. No. Topstep admin said they will reset the whole day if your account was seen online at the time of the crash. Awesome. Where does it say that? If it does, I'm going all in on shorts. I'm gonna help out Abel right here. Make sure there are no spaces in the code. Oh, entire day. If you are seen as being online during the time that happens. Awesome. All right, they're trying to flush it some more. I don't see anything that's holding it back from flushing. But it is Wall Street. They could just reverse it on you as well. Hold on, I put a little AC unit inside this room just to cool it off. There's way too many screens. There we go. Did you use my link, Lafta, when you bought the accounts? Actually, how to? I think I can set my link up right here. Topstep is only 19 bucks. Go here. Okay, so we're not really flushing too hard yet. I can't really go into a short now. I wussed out and sold my position back. I bought it back up. So I think my next trade will be waiting for it to sort of find a base. Maybe we base a little bit down lower. It'll create some sort of falling wedge, and then we can go into a long. And even if I'm wrong, Topstep's gonna reset this. If we're red, I think they do it. If you're red on the day, they reset it, and if you're not, if you're green, then you can hold on to your profits. One can now trade currencies, cryptos, and different oil contracts on the platform. That's awesome. They're expanding quick. Hopefully, they're not expanding too quick. And they could just get it stabilized and just working properly all the time. But I'm sure they're hiring the right people. They got a ton of money. It's a highly profitable business. Okay, the market is just moving like a little snail right now. Topstep hopefully helps you guys out. I'm gonna go ahead and hang up, and I'm gonna be on tomorrow right at market open for the first 2 hours of open. Okay. The only trades that we did, nothing really happened too much. I made one decent trade using the Magic 8 Ball. It does look like the market's trying to base right here and just build some structure somewhere in this area. But even if it doesn't, then we have a long ways to go. I don't really see anything stopping us from falling down anymore unless they start building some bases or building a base down here. I'll get rid of this pen drawing thing. Back to the crosshairs. Anyways, have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm starving. All right, bye.